Hey friends, welcome back. Today I've got a hair tutorial for you. That is why you see this just got out of bed glory happening here. R+Co reached out to me and sent me some really fun products that I get to try. Their first being Death Valley Dry Shampoo. Look how stinking cute that is. And their Moon Landing Anti-Humidity Spray, which is essential down here in the South. Essential. But we're gonna try these out today. I washed my hair yesterday, but you can see how oily my hair gets like so fast. That is thanks to my autoimmune disease. So I braid my hair at night when I go to bed. I've started doing that because it's better, less breakage and all that jazz. So my hair pretty crazy in the morning. When I was like 18, 19, I could just like get out of bed and my hair was just so perfect from the day before. Like I would go to bed with my hair wet from the shower and I would wake up and it'd be just like luscious, natural curls. And like, I cannot do that anymore. I don't know if it was babies or my autoimmune disease, but my hair, it's not what it used to be at all. I can't wake up looking like a princess anymore. So I'm going to definitely be using their dry shampoo, which I'm super excited about. So what I like to do with dry shampoo, I'll spray it, all up, I'll show you, I'll spray it all up in my roots and stuff. And then I like to just like leave it there for a while. So I'll go do my makeup while it's sitting there and then I will comb it out, just making sure that it absorbs all that oil. So here we go. Wow, it smells so good. It smells really good. I'm digging it. So I like to get back here as well. As most of you know, it turns your hair white, which is normal. Okay, and I'm kind of like a excessive dry shampoo user. I am like very self-conscious about how oily my hair gets. I think it's like a new thing for me, like within the last year. Because I mean, I used to only wash my hair like once a week, sometimes twice, but I could go that long. And then after my second baby, which is around the same time that I got my diagnosis. So I don't know if it was the baby or the disease, but my hair is just oily. And I've tried so many different shampoos for it. Now my hair has been smothered in dry shampoo. I'm gonna put it up and I'm gonna go do my makeup. And then I'll come back and give you the rest of my tutorial. Okay, I'm back and my face is done and I already rubbed in all of the dry shampoo and then I brushed it out. And so now I'm just doing a simple hair curling tutorial. I'll start by putting my hair half up, half down, kind of right by the eyebrows is where I part it. And then I just clip it up. Then I'll go in and brush again. And I am using this Hot Tools. It was just like a regular curling iron. And then I took out the springs and the clamp. So now it's a wand. And I'm gonna section. I like this one because it's really long and I have long hair. So it's hard for me to like actually fit like my whole hair onto one wand. I do leave the ends out and then I will pull my ends and kind of fluff it a little bit. And then what I like to do here, instead of getting like the flat iron out and like, making that smooth, I will just rub it on there. And it's a lot smoother. Okay, I backed it up a bit because I know my hair is long, so it's kind of hard to see. So I'll grab another section, wrap around the rod, leaving the ends out. Sometimes I'll go maybe one more. And then pull on my ends, and it kind of fluffs it out a little bit. And I'm always making sure that I'm curling away from my face. So when I do the left side, you know, which is opposite my dominant hand, then I'll just come up and over, still curling away from the face, holding my ends out and pulling on the ends to fluff them a little bit. And then I do like that front smooth. So I just go in like that. When I get to like my top layer, I definitely curl further from the root, start my curl further, and I do have these shorter pieces in front. I'm desperately in need of a haircut. And this side is much thicker than this side, so I actually go and do that. All right, now I will put this bad boy back to where it goes. All right, now that we are done curling with the hot tool, I go through, I kind of fluff it out a little bit, make it look looser. And because I need a haircut so badly, my ends are like really funky. So after I curl, I will go in with some Moroccan oil. I get it the light version because my hair, it just gets so oily so quickly. So I just don't like to use the heavy stuff. And I put a very small amount, if you can see it. And I will go through my ends, rub that stuff in there, put it all throughout. I love Moroccan oil because it reminds me of my friend Lindsay, who lives in Florida now, and I'm so sad because I miss her so much. She carried Moroccan oil in her salon and got me hooked on it. Shout out to Lindsay. All right, now that we have oiled, I'm gonna go in with R+Co's Moon Landing Anti-Humidity Spray, which I am very excited about. And there you have it. I hope that was super easy, simple. I do want to say that I love these products that R+Co sent me. This dry shampoo, first of all, it smells awesome. It's their Death Valley dry shampoo. And I'm so used to like dousing my head in dry shampoo, and I did not need to do that with this. Like I put way too much in my hair. So I do love that I'm gonna get away with using less product, which means less money spent and more longevity of the can. Love it. So cute. Love the packaging. And this anti-humidity hairspray, we'll see how it goes. I mean, it's not too humid yet here in Georgia, North Atlanta, but it will be. Let me tell you, I've never, okay, I guess Florida's worse. I've been to Florida and it is worse. But man, like when my friends in California are like, oh, it's so humid. And I'm like, girl, you do not know humidity. You don't. If you live in California and you think it's humid, stop. That's all. Anyway, so cute. If you know me, you know I am obsessed. I mean obsessed with the Astronaut Wives Club. I think it was on Hulu? I don't know. I bought it, so I don't even know where you can stream it because I am obsessed with Astronaut Wives. Like the original, the Mercury 7 wives. So to have this little astronaut made me need it. So thank you to R+Co. I love these products. I can't wait to try more. I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe, like it. You can follow me on Instagram at Flora_meets_fauna. Like me on Facebook at Flora Meets Fauna. Yeah, I think that's all the plugging I'm supposed to do. All right, bye.